In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create product variations in your Shopify store. Product variations are things like different colors, sizes, or materials of the same item. Setting these up properly makes it much easier for customers to choose exactly what they want, and it also keeps your inventory organized behind the scenes. Let's walk through the process step by step inside your Shopify dashboard. First, log into your Shopify admin and head to your main dashboard. This is the homepage where you can see your orders, analytics, and sales overview. From here, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Products. This is where all of the items in your store are listed. On the Products page, find the product you want to add variants to and click on its name to open it. This will take you to the Product Details page where you manage things like the title, description, images, and pricing. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Variants. If your product doesn't have any variants yet, this section might be collapsed or show a prompt to add options. Click into this area to start setting up your variations. Shopify will show you some common option types, such as color, size, and material or fabric. Choose the option type that makes sense for your product. For example, if you're selling a t-shirt, color might be your first option. After you select it, you'll be able to add the specific values, like red, blue, or black. If your product has more than one type of variation, click Add Another option. A common second option is size, so you could enter sizes like small, medium, and large. Remember, each combination of color and size will become its own variant in your store. If you need a third type of variation, click Add Another option again and choose another option type that fits your product, such as fabric or style. Keep your options clear and simple so customers can easily understand them. Now, go back into each option and make sure you've added all the values you actually offer. For example, under color, add every color you sell that product in. Do the same for size and any other option you've created. Shopify will generate all the possible variant combinations for you. Once you're happy with the options and values, click Done. Finally, don't forget to click Save at the top of the page to apply all your changes. After saving, your product will now display those variations on your online store, and you're done.